Hi friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about Olympics. All you know, the Tokyo Olympic 2020 was postponed due to COVID. Now it is held in 2021. So let's discuss. What are Olympic Games? The Olympic Games are the world's leading sports event. Athletes from more than 200 countries compete in them. The Olympics include the Summer Games and the Winter Games. Each is held in a different country once every 4 years. Olympic rings. The Olympic symbol consists of 5 interlaced rings of equal dimensions, used alone in 1 or in 5 different colors. These colors shall be from left to right: blue, yellow, black, green, and red. 5 colors rings in Olympic flag actually what represent? It represents 5 continents. Yellow for Asia, blue for Europe, red for America, black for Africa, green for Australia. When did the Olympics start in the history? The first modern Olympics were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. Last and future Olympic Games locations: Rio de Janeiro, Brazil 2016, Tokyo 2020, Paris 2024, Los Angeles 2028, Brisbane, Australia 2032. What is the Olympic motto? The Olympic motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius, means faster, higher, stronger. How many games are there at the 2020 Olympics? The Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games will feature a record of 33 competitions and 339 events held across 42 competition venues. What is Olympics mascot? Olympics mascot is Mariatova. Paralympics mascot is Somaiti. When and where do the 2021 Olympics start? 23rd July to 8th August at Tokyo, Japan. When did women first compete in the Olympic Games? Women competed for the first time at 1900 Games in Paris. Of a total of 997 athletes, 22 women competed in 5 sports: tennis, sailing, croquet, equestrianism, and golf. Who started the modern Olympics? Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee? Based in Lausanne, Switzerland, the Olympic capital. Who is the flag bearer of India in opening ceremony 2020 Olympics? Boxing great Mary Kom. Indian men's hockey team captain Manpreet Singh. Who will be the flag bearer of India at the closing ceremony? Wrestler Bajrang Punia. Who will be the flag bearer of India at Tokyo Paralympics? Mariyappan Thangavelu top para high jumper. When is Tokyo Paralympics 2021? 24th August 2021 to 5th September 2021. How many Indian athletes participated for Tokyo Olympics? India's Olympic contingent for Tokyo 2020 includes 127 participants. How many Indian athletes qualified for Tokyo 2020? A total of 115 Indian athletes have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. Which language other than English is the official language of the International Olympic Committee? French. According to the Olympic Charter, the duration of the Olympic Games shall not exceed 16 days. Who got first medal for India in 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Mirabai Chanu with silver in women's 49 kg weightlifting. Isn't it great? Who is the first Indian woman to join the International Olympic Committee? Neeta Ambani, the chairperson of Reliance Foundation, has been elected as an individual member of International Olympic Committee on 4th August 2016. Hope you all liked the video. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel.